What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Slappy from Goosebumps. Let's begin our lesson at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the top of our circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll land at the top of that circle, come down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw two smaller circles in the center of each eye. So we start from the top. Just going to trace the eye along the inside. Now along the top of each pupil, draw a smaller circle for our highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now you want to place the eyebrows on top of each eye. So on the left side, we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line, coming down on top of the eye, and then pull that in. Let's line this up on the right, going up, across the top, and then out. Let's round out the inside of the brow, coming around and then out. Now we're going to go straight up with an angled line, and then bend that down towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left. Curve this down, and then bend that up. Now we're going to move up in the center, draw a shorter curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw the mouth, starting over on the left, bend this down and then up. Now I'm going to curl the corners of the mouth, going around and then down. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a short curve for the lower lip. From the corners of the mouth, draw a straight line coming down towards the chin. And we'll close out the chin with a curve, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to fold the cheeks around the corners of the mouth. Let's start on the left side of the nose, bend this down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Round this out and then pull that in. Let's go out to the side and draw on the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out, curve the cheek, coming down, round this out, and just pull that in towards the bottom corner of the chin. Let's go to the right. Going all the way around, come down, and then bend that in. Now I want to work our way up towards the top of the hairline. Starting back on the left, go straight up, in towards the corner of the eyebrow, and then bend that out. On the left side, I'm just going to bend the hairline going up, come down in the middle, round up the center, go up, and then out towards the right. Let's go to the side of the head and add in the ears. We'll start on the left, then the ear going up, come down the side, and then in towards the cheek. Let's add those folds inside the ear. Start with a curve going up and then out on either side. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook. Now from the top corners of the hairline, I'm going to step out, just going to bend the side of the head, going out, down, and then in on top of the ears. Now on the left side, I'm going to add a point, going out and then down. I'm going to go up. I'm going to add a fold, just going to bend this down. Let's add another layer. We're going to step back, go up towards the top of the head, and then pull that down. Let's do that one more time, stepping over, going all the way around. I'm just going to pull this down towards the top corner of the head, and then we're just going to close this off by bending this up and in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the bow tie. We're going to start with a knot first. Start with two straight lines coming down, close out the bottom with a curve. from the bottom corners, bend this down and then out towards the side. Around to the side and just pull that in underneath the head. Now we're also going to add a fold on the side of the knot. It is up and then out. Now underneath the tie on the right side, we're going to add that carnation. We'll draw a circle with these bumps going all the way around towards the top. And just pull that in. Now on the left side of the bow tie, I'm going to leave a gap, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Let's go underneath the carnation, go down towards the same height, close out the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to fold the jacket over on top of the left side. So underneath the bow tie, bend this down and then across, and then come straight down towards the bottom. Let's go to the center of the body, draw the left side, going out and then up. Let's add in the collar from the left side, bend this out and up. Do the same thing on the left. Now underneath the knot, draw a straight line coming down. Now in the center, we're going to draw 4 buttons. One on the top left, one on the right. Let's move down and draw that again. Let's move to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And then we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round up the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up. Now going back to the side, we're going to round up the top of the foot. We want to go up. We're going to bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and curve the side of the leg. Let's start from the left side, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, then the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Let's line that up on the right. Now from the wrist, draw a half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Let's wrap 3 fingers around either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb and come down and up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, go out and then up. And then the third finger, just going to go out, bend the arm. We're just going to pull this up to line up with the top of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the top of the arm, I'm just going to slope the shoulders, going up and then in underneath the chin. Let's draw the edge of the cuff on the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. And add one more curve just on top of the edge of the jacket. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Slappy from Goosebumps. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.